Hello. Welcome to another video from our channel. Here you will have tips and information on how to stay strong and healthy both physically and mentally, increasing your disposition, your stamina, and your immunity. Together we will be unveiling the secrets of how to benefit from everything that nature provides us to achieve our goal of enjoying a healthy life. In this video we will talk about selenium, a mineral that fights obesity and prevents cancer. Selenium is a very important trace element for the balance of our metabolism and an essential mineral that our body needs to function well. Maybe you've heard about it, but still have no idea what it does or why you need it. Selenium, as an element, was discovered in 1817 by the Swedish chemist Jöns Jacob Berzelius, who determined the atomic weights of many elements and developed a system of chemical symbols. Initially, it was thought to be a toxin, but scientists discovered that selenium was an essential mineral in the 1950s. In the 1960s, doctors began investigating the possible cancer-fighting properties of selenium in animals. Scientists now know that selenium is essential for the production of selenoproteins, a family of proteins that contain selenium in the form of amino acids. So far, 25 different selenoproteins have been isolated from the body, but only half of their functions have been identified. Human and animal research has found that selenoproteins are involved in embryonic development, thyroid hormone metabolism, antioxidant defenses, sperm production, muscle function, and the immune system's response to vaccines. We will see the importance of selenium for the human body, the sources of selenium that we can use to not develop a deficiency of this mineral, and also what can cause an excess of selenium in the body. Selenium is an essential mineral for all living cells, but its importance to human health was only discovered in 1973. Selenium is a trace mineral, which means your body only needs small amounts. It binds to the body's proteins to form antioxidants called selenoproteins, which help protect the body's cells from free radical damage. Selenium is also essential for normal thyroid function, reproduction, and DNA synthesis. Functions of selenium. We need selenium to produce a number of enzymes that act as antioxidants and limit cell damage caused by free radicals. Eating enough antioxidants reduces the risk of cancer and heart disease. However, if your blood selenium levels get too high, your body may actually create more free radicals instead of getting rid of these harmful substances. While iodine's role in thyroid function is well known, it is not the only mineral needed to maintain proper function. Your thyroid gland contains large amounts of selenium in the form of selenoproteins, which help protect it from free radicals produced during thyroid hormone production. Selenoproteins also turn thyroid hormones on and off as needed. Adequate dietary selenium intake helps minimize the effects of iodine deficiency, while selenium deficiency can worsen these effects. You also need selenium for your immune system to function properly. Selenoproteins play a role in the production of functioning T cells, which are white blood cells that help prevent infections. A lack of selenium in your diet can inhibit your antibody response because it depends on T cells. These levels reflect the amount of selenium a healthy person needs. If you have any health concerns, talk to your doctor about your dietary needs, including selenium. 1 to 3 years, 20 mg daily. 4 to 8 years, 30 mg daily. 9 to 13 years, 40 mg daily. 14 years plus, 55 mg daily. Pregnant women, 60 mg per day. Breastfeeding women, 70 mg daily. Selenium is a vital mineral for the proper functioning of the body. Although our body does not need this mineral in large amounts, it is necessary to keep the recommended levels up to date. The best way to maintain selenium levels is through a balanced diet that includes foods rich in selenium. But in some situations, your doctor may recommend taking selenium supplements to balance your levels. Fortunately, it is possible to meet your dietary recommendations for getting this mineral through food alone. Dietary sources of selenium are common and readily available, and it doesn't take a lot of planning to create a diet that boosts your selenium status. Selenium foods also cross many food categories. Carbohydrates, proteins, and even fats are all good sources of the mineral. Selenium can be found in many plant and animal products. How? Brazil nuts, cooked chicken, rice, egg, bean, garlic among others. This essential mineral for the proper functioning of our body also brings several health and preventive benefits. May protect against heart disease. An analysis of 25 studies found that increasing concentrations of selenium, taken from blood and nails, by 50% reduced the risk of heart disease by 24%. Therefore, selenium may not only reduce inflammation markers, but also alleviate oxidative stress, a condition where free radicals and antioxidants are out of balance in the body, leading to cellular damage. Oxidative damage is also associated with several chronic diseases, including cardiovascular disease. It boosts the immune system. However, selenium's ability to reduce oxidative damage does more than just improve heart health. In fact, reducing oxidative stress reduces inflammation and boosts the immune system. Studies show that the essential mineral selenium is capable of increasing the immune response and that selenium deficiency can slow down the immune response of cells. Selenium supplementation also increases white blood cell counts and may also improve the function of T cells, a specific type of white blood cell. Prevents free radical damage. We have already mentioned the antioxidant properties of selenium. Acting as an antioxidant, this mineral can balance free radicals in the body and prevent them from causing cell damage associated with oxidative stress. May support cognitive function. Alzheimer's disease is not the only neurological condition associated with oxidative stress. It is also associated with Parkinson's disease and multiple sclerosis. Selenium can therefore reduce oxidative damage and thus reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease and protect your cognitive health. And Alzheimer's patients have low levels of selenium, as well as other nutrients like vitamin C and vitamin A. We come to the thyroid gland, and therefore to its metabolism. This small but mighty part of your body has the highest concentration of selenium of any of your tissues. And the thyroid gland does more than regulate metabolism by releasing thyroid hormone. This butterfly-shaped gland at the front of the neck also helps in proper growth. However, low levels of selenium are linked to thyroid disease, concluded an epidemiological study. And not just hypothyroidism, an underactive thyroid gland, but also Hashimoto's thyroiditis, an autoimmune disease where the body attacks the thyroid gland. May fight asthma symptoms. Allergic asthma, the most common type of the disease, is essentially a chronic inflammatory disease. Selenium's anti-inflammatory effects mean this mineral can help ease asthma symptoms. While more research needs to be done in humans, animal research has shown that selenium supplementation may make sense as part of asthma treatment, depending on an individual's baseline selenium level. Supplementation with this mineral appears to be most effective in conditions where blood selenium is low. Improves mood and reduces anxiety. Low levels of selenium are associated with depression, anxiety, fatigue, and mental confusion. In a study of 50 people, selenium supplementation for 5 weeks improved mood, energy levels, and reduced anxiety. Selenium supplementation for 8 weeks visibly improved depression and slightly reduced anxiety in a study of elderly people living in nursing homes. Supports fertility and reproductive health. Balanced levels of selenium are important for male and female reproductive health. In men, Selenium is important for sperm and testosterone production. In a study of 69 men with fertility problems, selenium supplements slightly increased sperm motility but did not improve sperm density. Fatherhood was achieved in 11% of men taking selenium, compared with none in the placebo group. For women, adequate selenium levels are especially important during early pregnancy. In one study, women who had repeated miscarriages were more likely to have lower levels of selenium in their blood. Selenium deficiency has also been linked to an increased likelihood of miscarriage in animal studies. And then? Did you like this content? Was it relevant? Added more value and knowledge? Post here in the comments and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss any notifications. Share with friends and relatives so that more people have access to this content. Leave your like, so YouTube understands that this information is relevant and makes it reach more people, so that everyone enjoys more health. Live a full life, face your challenges with faith, eat right, move with joy and walk hand in hand with happiness. Until the next video.